today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, the weekly candle has closed and I have some news for you. Let's talk about that. And actually yesterday I already announced it in the video I uploaded like 20-ish hours ago that this weekly close will decide everything for Bitcoin. This happened right now. So now let's reevaluate. What is the next target for Bitcoin? You know, I had actually my limit buy order at approximately 37,700. I can tell you one thing. I deleted it. Now the question is, where am I going to put in a massive long position on Bitcoin right now? What am I expecting for Bitcoin? Are we going to get a massive break towards the downside to a very specific price target I'm going to mention in this video? Or is this here once again one of these fake outs we have seen before? Let's talk about that. Let me quickly go back here into the video. If you're watching this video right now, go down below, press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. And make sure you're watching this video until the very end. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's talk about what is actually happening here. And you know, guys, I'm the person who, like, when everyone is bearish, I'm still bullish. And yes, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. The immediate short term, however, is something we should be very careful about and something where we should maybe not run into a mindless long position, because I think we are up to some volatility in the markets. And the reason for that, let me quickly elaborate on that. I want to make it as easy as possible for you to understand. All right, what we can see here is the daily candles for Bitcoin. And obviously, the daily closed below, but already a few days ago. This was for me not a sign yet that we have to be careful. Let me go here into the weekly candles and show me exactly what was the moment where I said, hey, now we have to be very careful for Bitcoin. And if we are going here into the weekly candles, you can see that for the first time since, let me go back, since basically the beginning of the year, January 2022, for the first time this year, we got a weekly close below the upward sloping support. Not only that, this is not a nice candle with a big wick on the upside, no. We got follow through to the downside now and a break above the previous rejection point. Below the previous rejection point. And going here to the daily candles, you can see that this breakdown is right now solidifying. Now the question is, are we going to go to the 20,000, 25,000 US dollars everyone is quoting? My answer, personal opinion, could be wrong, is no. I am not thinking that we will ever see a price below 31,000 US dollars again. In fact, I'm actually predicting even a higher target, which is still below the current price. So if we are going to the daily candles, and now we are zooming out, because as you know, when in doubt, zoom out. When you are zooming out, then you can see that not only Bitcoin was so far perfectly holding my worst case scenario of 29,000, you can see it also right here on the left hand side, 29,000 US dollars. We were holding it so far. I think we are going to continuously hold it. And yes, it is very rare on any asset, including Bitcoin, to see, let me quickly delete this, to see horizontal support to hold eventually and to hold forever, right? I mean, horizontal support is usually there to be broken at some point. The more often we are testing it, the more likely it is to be broken. That's the horizontal support. So yeah, the same thing should be going for Bitcoin. The thing is, I don't think we are going back to the support. Yes, if we go down, I think we will hold it, but I don't think we are going back. I am personally scooping in above the previous low at 33. So I will put in my limit orders at 36, 35 and 34,000 US dollars. If you have a limit long order in opposition to into a market order, your likelihood of succeeding is already higher. If you are not market ordering in, sometimes in a breakout trade, fine. But if you want to catch a falling knife, then a limit buy order gives you much, much higher probability of success. And this is what I'm gonna do. And as you yesterday saw here, a big 700,000 US dollar long position, I eliminated that at 37,700. Hope I'm not gonna regret that. I will put it down. I will split it up. 36, 35, 34,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. I updated you also here over on Twitter at mmcrypto. If you go to my Twitter at mmcrypto with the verification checkmark and you follow me, you get these updates in absolute real time. The moment they are coming into my head, I'm pushing them out on Twitter. I had a long break, now I'm back. Life is beautiful, guys. I truly love and appreciate you, every single one of you. You are a part of my soul. You are the reason why I'm here every single day making these videos for you, now every single day. Thank you so much for that. You are truly a big inspiration for me. I love every single one of you. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.